Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the battery of your MSI MS16R3 laptop. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by flipping your laptop over to access the battery compartment. Next, locate the screws securing the back cover. There are typically 4 to 6 Phillips head screws, depending on your model. Carefully remove each screw and store them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. If you find it challenging to remove the screws, using a magnetic screwdriver can be helpful. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. After the cover is off, you will see the battery situated prominently in the compartment. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Locate the battery connector, which is often a small plug that fits into the motherboard. Gently wiggle the connector while pulling it out to avoid damage. It's essential to handle these components with care to prevent any static discharge. If you're unfamiliar with this process or don't have the required tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the compartment. Before proceeding with the installation of the new battery, take a moment to clean the area around the battery slot. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure proper contact and function of the new battery. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Gently press it into place, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery by plugging the connector back into the motherboard. Make sure it's secure. A loose connection could lead to issues later. After the new battery is installed, it's time to replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear a click, indicating that the clips are secured. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them firmly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the casing. Finally, flip your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Press the power button to turn it on. If everything has been done correctly, your laptop should boot up with the new battery. If you encounter any difficulties or if you don't have the tools needed for this process, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and pricing. Now that you've successfully replaced the battery, you can enjoy the enhanced performance of your MSI MS16R3 laptop. Regular maintenance will help extend the life of your device, so keep that in mind as you move forward with your tech care. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.